And here the 2 moles of benzaldehyde molecule reacts in presence of a potassium cyanide and ethanol as a solvent. Join so benzoin is formed. So the 2 moles of benzaldehyde molecule reacts in presence of a potassium cyanide and ethanol. When you heat it, it forms a benzoin. This reaction is known as benzoin condensation. The treatment of aromatic aldehyde with aqueous potassium cyanide, where it forms alpha hydroxy ketone, which is called benzoin. This reaction is known as benzoin condensation. Clear? I'll just repeat it. 2 moles of benzaldehyde reacts with alcoholic potassium cyanide. When you heat it, it forms benzoin. This reaction is known as benzoin condensation. Coming to mechanism part of this. In step 1, the one molecule of benzaldehyde is going to react with a KCN. That KCN will split up into K plus Cn minus, and that Cn minus is a nucleophile which is going to attack the benzene, that carbonyl carbon of the benzaldehyde. It attacks this. The KCN attacks this, thus it forms so when it attacks this will try to form oxide. That pair of electron will move towards oxygen to form an oxide ion. And this H is there always, but this undergoes a resonance, that is a rearrangement, wherein hydride, that proton shift, hydrogen shift takes place. Leaving behind the pair of electrons to that carbon only. So here, once that cyanide ion attacks carbonyl carbon, forms an oxide ion. This oxide ion wants to stabilize, or the proton which is there here, the hydrogen will shift from here to here, and leaving behind the pair of electrons to this carbon only. So thus this carbon anion is formed, or a nucleophile is generated from this particular rearrangement. Clear? So that particular carbon anion which is formed in this is going to attack carbonyl carbon of one more molecule of benzaldehyde. So one molecule is used in first step, second molecule is used in second step. The aldehyde molecule This will attack this, and this go pi bond electron will move towards this. So when this carbon anion which is generated in step 1 will try to attack carbonyl carbon of 1 more molecule of aldehyde. When it attacks this, forms a bond with this carbon by using this pair of electrons, and thus when it forms, this pi bond electron will move towards oxygen to form an oxide ion. To form an oxide ion. So this oxide ion which is formed here, where the hydrogen shift takes place, hydrogen shift. That means hydrogen is transferred from one atom to another atom. Okay, this is what here it is formed, that oxide ion. This oxide ion wants to stabilize, where there is a proton shift takes place and eliminates the cyanide ion comes out. So when this particular oxide ion wants to stabilize, the proton from here OH will shift from here to here, stabilizes this to a hydroxy group, and the bond electrons between oxygen and hydrogen will try to form a double bond between carbon and oxygen. This is how it forms. And thus ultimately what is formed is a benzoin is generated. Benzoin is generated. Sorry, here it is OH, H, C double bond O, benzoin is formed. So this is how this benzoin is formed. So thus proton shift takes place. The proton from oxygen hydroxy group to an oxide ion to stabilize this. So when it does so, the pair of electrons, the bond electrons between oxygen and hydrogen will move towards oxygen carbon to form a pi bond, double bond. When it forms this, this will eliminate cyanide ion as this base will eliminate. Thus ultimately what is formed is a benzoin is formed. This reaction is known as benzoin condensation. So quickly, I will summarize this once again. Benzoin condensation, 2 moles of benzaldehyde reacts, condenses each other in presence of a alcoholic potassium cyanide to form benzoin. This reaction is known as benzoin condensation. Clear? Coming to mechanism, in first step, 1 molecule of benzaldehyde is going to react with the cyanide ion nucleophile. This cyanide ion comes from this potassium cyanide. This splits up into K plus Cn minus. Clear? This cyanide ion will try to attack carbonyl carbon of the aldehyde molecule. When it attacks this, forms the bond here by using this pair of electrons. When it does so, the pi bond electron will move towards oxygen to form an oxide ion. This undergoes hydrogen shift. Hydrogen from carbon to oxygen takes place to stabilize this. Thus, ultimately, what is formed is carbon anion is generated. Carbon anion is generated. So, this particular mechanism is called as actually the proton shift or a hydrogen shift mechanism, where that proton shift takes place 2 times. One is in this case, first step, and another one is in last step, that is third step. So that carbon anion which is generated in step 1 is going to attack carbonyl carbon of 1 more molecule of benzaldehyde molecule. And when it attacks and forms a bond with this carbon by using this pair of electrons, the pi bond electrons between oxygen and carbon will move towards oxygen to form once again oxide ion. Once again, an oxide ion. That oxide ion in the next step is going to stabilize, where once again there is a proton shift takes place, where the proton from hydroxy group will shift to oxide ion and stabilizes this oxide ion, and the pair of electrons between oxygen and hydrogen will try to form a double bond between oxygen and carbon. And when it tries to form double bond between oxygen and carbon, that carbon eliminates cyanide ion, and thus ultimately what is formed is, because of this proton shift, this particular benzoin is formed. So this particular mechanism is also called as nucleophilic addition plus proton shift mechanism. Proton rearrangement takes place. That means the hydrogen will come out as proton, will shift from one atom to another atom. So here in first case, it is shifted from carbon to oxygen, thus forming carbon anion. And in the third step, it is shifted from one oxygen of the one carbon atom to another oxide ion, another oxygen. So that's this proton shift takes place. And this particular mechanism is called as proton shift mechanism or nucleophilic addition plus proton shift mechanism. This is called benzoin condensation. Clear? Go through this. Thank you.